Banks often tell us a big lie. They claim that our money grows when we keep it in our bank accounts. But the truth is quite different. Although the number in our account may increase due to interest, the actual value of our money doesn't grow. In fact, with prices rising rapidly because of inflation, the interest we earn from the bank falls far behind. So, keeping cash in the bank can actually end up costing us money. It's important to understand this misconception and make smarter decisions about how we handle our finances. In this video, we'll be exploring 6 assets that are better and safer than keeping your cash in the bank. Number 1. Gold, silver, and platinum. Gold, silver, and platinum holds great value because it acts as a reliable store of wealth for the future. In contrast, traditional currencies can lose their worth as governments print more money to cover their financial gaps. This uncertainty surrounding paper money is why financial experts advise investing in assets that are limited in supply and not easily created. That's precisely why the wealthy often allocate a portion of their portfolios to precious metals. Over time, precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum have consistently increased in value, especially during times of high inflation. For instance, back in the 1950s, an ounce of gold cost around $400. But now it's priced at over $2,000. According to experts at Prime XBT, they predict that the price of gold may even reach $10,000 by 2032. This means that your gold investments could potentially increase 5-fold in the next decade. While the value of cash keeps declining, gold continues to rise. Similarly, other precious metals also outperform keeping your money in the bank. If you're interested in benefiting from the value of gold without physically owning it, you can consider investing in gold ETFs. These investment vehicles offer an affordable way to participate in gold price movements without the need for physical possession. Number 2. Real estate. Land. Real estate is a valuable asset that offers numerous benefits and is often considered a smart investment. Investing in land provides stability and potential appreciation over time. Unlike other assets, land is a tangible asset that you can physically own. Land can serve various purposes, such as residential, commercial, agricultural, or recreational, allowing for diverse investment opportunities. Number 3. Stocks and mutual funds. Stocks and mutual funds are popular investment options that offer potential for growth and wealth accumulation. Stocks represent ownership in a company and allow investors to participate in the company's success. By buying shares of stock, you become a partial owner and have the opportunity to benefit from the company's profits and value appreciation over time. Mutual funds, on the other hand, pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They are managed by professionals who make investment decisions on behalf of the fund's shareholders. Number 4. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies offer advantages such as fast and low-cost transactions, global accessibility, and potential for high returns. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires careful research, understanding of technology, and consideration of personal risk tolerance. Number 5. Royalty-based investments. Royalty-based investments involve acquiring a portion of future royalties or revenue generated from intellectual property, such as music, films, books, patents, or trademarks. In this type of investment, investors receive a share of the ongoing income generated by the intellectual property rights. Royalty-based investments offer several advantages such as passive income, potential for high returns, and intellectual property value. Number 6. Industrial commodities. Investing in industrial commodities involves participating in the market for raw materials used in manufacturing and industrial processes. This can be done through various investment vehicles, such as commodity futures, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or stocks of commodity producers. Investors should carefully analyze market trends, monitor industry developments, and diversify their portfolio to manage risks associated with investing in industrial commodities. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and happy investing.